This meeting has been long in the making, and because of COVID, of course, it got postponed. We've had a far more sort of interest than I had ever anticipated.
It is a fantastic opportunity after COVID, after we have been sort of in isolation, to have this very broad community together.
The idea of having this conference on a different common subject, which is accretion and magnetism, but in different kind of stars and galaxies, makes this conference quite unique.
Our sort of aspirations were to bring together people from different communities.
It's not just the academics, it's also the cultural exchange that we have had. And of course, South Africa, a great place to host this kind of meeting.
A wonderful mix of both established senior researchers, such as myself, mixing the presentations with those from much younger researchers, many postdocs, and a lot of graduate students.
It's a valuable opportunity, I think, to engage with leading researchers in the field.
Some of the student presentations and the young postdocs was outstanding. These kind of meetings, workshops, are absolutely crucial for them to develop as scientists.
And because of also the good support from the three sort of sponsoring institutes, the South African Astronomical Observatory, which is part of the National Research Foundation, the University of Cape Town Astronomy Department, and the SALT Foundation. Those three entities all contributed, supported this meeting.
We usually have a bit of tunnel vision in terms of your own field. And so it's great to have this generalized conference on magnetism and accretion and see how magnetism applies on different scales in the universe.
I think that was really great, that you could attend a meeting for something else and then you find that cross-pollination happening between fields.
This is how sometimes ideas come about, is when you start talking to people outside of your little silo and listen to what's happening in other fields.
It will be very important to keep this track, which has been so successful, to have more communities joining all together.
Hybrid helps us a lot now. I don't think we'll ever go away from it again.
How the conference was organized with the remote sessions and everything being recorded, I think that's really valuable.
This hybrid format has been really great.
And really, in my view, it should be a model for future conferences, because it brings together many more people than in the past, where you just had a few people that have the financial means to fly to different exotic locations and attend conferences.
In the end, we did cover everything that we had hoped. I think the meeting has been incredibly successful.